Hey, good afternoon. Thank you all for taking a few minutes to rest your feet and check out our demonstration. My name is Luke. We're with Best of Everything, tool supplier. We deal with many of the big distributors throughout the country and North America. We've been in business for close to 20 years now. We're just here to demonstrate a few of our products. I'm the sales guy. As you can probably see by the bicep difference, we have Grant Jones, who's a master contractor, tile installer. He's had a few inventions in the industry as well. Then we have Dane, who was our customer service AR bodyguard extraordinaire. So we're just here today to show basically what we're calling your regular, equivalent to notch trowels. Essentially the NTCA, TCNA, have kind of taken the lead on recommending these trowels for better coverage when it comes to, compared to your standard U-notch, square notch trowels. We'll be showcasing a couple of additional products. We have our suction cups, which are all the rage in the industry with tiles getting bigger. We have a standard suction cup and then also a vibrating suction cup, which actually sets the tile. So what Grant will be doing is we'll be showing with glass tile kind of the additional coverage you get with these equivalent to trowels, and then using the vibrating suction cup to set it onto the substrate so you can see the coverage distance or difference. We are booth 3442, so if you're interested in any of our products or like anything you see or have any complaints, please feel free to stop by the booth whenever you have a chance. So I'll turn it over to Grant.
Hi everybody, I'm Grant. I'm a full-time tile contractor and installer, so I use these products every day. And,
Is your thing on? Check the, oh there you go, it's on.
Sorry about that.
Still not.
Let's see, I'll try to get it a little higher. Okay, is that any better? Okay, I'll try to talk loud.
Yeah, if you talk loud.
Okay, so we're gonna be demonstrating this equivalent to notch trowel. This is equivalent to about 1/4 by 3/8. And if you can see the pattern, it creates a different kind of a ridge so that when the tile gets set onto it, those ridges collapse without forming air pockets or voids where there isn't a bond. So this is the new recommended trowel, and we're going to get better coverage out of that. To demonstrate it, I'm going to set these glass tiles into it so we can actually look through the glass and see what the thin set does. So here we go.
Like to pass this around, you can kind of see it up close. So these are the 3 sizes we carry in these equivalent to. We've got the 1/4 by 1/4 by 1/4. We've got the 1/4 by 3/8 by 1/4, and we also have the 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. We also carry a variety of Euro notch trowels, so that has a similar effect to these equivalent to create that good bond.
Okay, so I have the mortar bed spread out using the notch. We're not going to back butter because we want to be able to see exactly what it does when we set it. Okay. Okay. Another way to grab these, especially when the tile is a little bit bigger, is using the suction cup.
This is our
Allows
auto
us to
suction
handle the
cup.
bigger tiles a lot easier.
Holds up to 330 pounds.
Now we can see when we just set a tile in thin set, it's really not set as well as it should be. That's where this tool comes in. This is going to be a suction cup, not meant for lifting tiles around so much, but it's going to grab, and then we're going to hit the vibration feature, and that's going to cause the thin set to spread out, liquefy, and create more of a bond. It's going to allow me to move the tile around.
Is that fixotropic mortar?
Yes. Yeah. Is that fixotropic mortar? Yes. Yeah. So what you can see here is we're going to get more coverage with the vibration. And it's going to allow me, if my corner's a little higher, it's going to allow me to get that corner down. If I need to lift a corner up, it's going to allow me to lift that corner up.
Now, an important thing to note with this suction cup, it is for the vibration. Obviously, it can stick and lift, but you don't want to be lifting tiles with it. That's really the other suction cup to actually get it into place. That suction cup's just to hold and do that fixotropic effect.
Yes. So this is just being set without any back buttering, and which is the reason why they recommend back buttering. So here we'll go with back buttering here. Okay. So now these notches are meant to just lock right into each other. You get hardly anything showing there. So, yeah, combination of the back buttering and the vibration really, I mean, that's darn near 100%. Yeah. I think it's much easier. I think it's much easier to use the vibrating suction cup to maneuver the tile. Once it starts vibrating, the thin set is liquefying, but it also makes the tile almost lightweight, where it becomes a lot more maneuverable. So, yes, yes, it does that. And even if something has been sitting for a little while, and the thin set started to lock up a little bit, hitting it with the vibrator starts to liquefy that thin set again, let you have a little bit more maneuverability to get it back into position.
I had a job, we had like 1,600 square feet. I just used that on the full box. The same exact amount. You could actually pull it. If you try to pull it up after that, I mean, it was like a copy of it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We'll pull this one up. I don't even know if I can get this one up. Yeah. So, really good coverage. Another thing I really like with the suction cup is if I had tried to get that up without a suction cup, I'd have a margin trowel under one side. I'd have thin set all over my hands, although I have a little bit. But yeah, it'd be a lot more difficult. So, any questions?
Tell us again why you think the equivalent two notches give you more coverage.
With the different, let's see. It's just these different sized and the pattern where we've got the little notch next to the big notch, and then they're going to be able to collapse rather than having those squares that can, when they don't have a, you know, the little notch can go into the big groove. And so then they're going to fit together better. Those squares, sometimes when you put them in, you trap air in there more. So I think in this one there's more opportunity for the air to escape and just for the smaller grooves to fit into the larger grooves. So, yeah. Makes a difference.
And, as Luke mentioned, we're just over at booth 3442. If you guys want to head over there, you can get your hands on these products. We've got glass tile there. You can try the suction cups. So please give us a stop by if you want.